Today we are going to talk about 6 health benefits of chia seeds. What are chia seeds? Chia seeds are tiny, edible seeds that come from a plant called Salvia hispanica, which is native to Mexico and Guatemala. They have been used for centuries by the Aztecs and Mayans as a source of energy and nutrition. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, antioxidants, minerals, and phytochemicals. They have a mild, nutty flavor and can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance. What are the health benefits of chia seeds? Chia seeds have many health benefits, some of which are supported by scientific evidence. Here are 6 of them. 1. May aid with weight loss, maintenance. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which can help you feel full for longer and reduce your appetite. Fiber also helps regulate your bowel movements and prevent constipation. Additionally, chia seeds are high in protein, which can help you build and maintain muscle mass and boost your metabolism. Some studies have shown that chia seeds can reduce body weight and waist circumference in overweight or obese people. 2. May help reduce the risk of heart disease. Chia seeds are one of the best plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Omega-3s can lower blood pressure, cholesterol, triglycerides, and inflammation, as well as improve blood vessel function and prevent blood clots. Some studies have suggested that chia seeds can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke, especially in people with type 2 diabetes or metabolic syndrome. 3. Supports bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, which are all important for bone health. Calcium is the main component of bones and teeth, while magnesium helps regulate calcium levels and activate enzymes involved in bone formation. Phosphorus helps form bone matrix and maintain acid-base balance. Manganese is involved in bone metabolism and formation of connective tissue. Chia seeds can help prevent osteoporosis and fractures, especially in postmenopausal women. 4. May reduce free radicals and inflammation. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which are substances that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and inflammation, leading to chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and arthritis. Antioxidants can neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation, thus preventing or slowing down the progression of these diseases. Chia seeds have been shown to have higher antioxidant activity than other common seeds such as flax seeds, sesame seeds, and sunflower seeds. 5. It may help lower blood sugar levels. Chia seeds can help lower blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This can prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, which can cause fatigue, hunger, and cravings. Chia seeds can also improve insulin sensitivity and glucose tolerance, which are key factors for diabetes prevention and management. Some studies have found that chia seeds can lower fasting blood sugar levels and hemoglobin A1C, a marker of long-term blood sugar control, in people with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. 6. It may improve gut health. Chia seeds are a great source of prebiotic fiber, which is a type of fiber that feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These bacteria help digest food, produce vitamins, hormones, and neurotransmitters, modulate your immune system, and protect you from harmful pathogens. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for your overall health and well-being. Chia seeds can also help relieve constipation, diarrhea, bloating, and gas by adding bulk and moisture to your stools. Expert recommended ways to add chia seeds to your diet. Chia seeds are versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. You can eat them raw or soaked, whole or ground, or add them to various foods and beverages. Here are some expert recommended ways to add chia seeds to your diet. 1. Make a pudding. One of the simplest ways to enjoy chia seeds is to make a pudding by mixing them with milk, dairy or plant-based, yogurt or fruit juice. You can also add sweeteners such as honey or maple syrup, spices such as cinnamon or vanilla, or toppings such as nuts or fruits, to enhance the flavor and texture. Let the mixture sit in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight to allow the chia seeds to absorb the liquid and form a gel-like consistency. 2. Mix up some jam. Another easy way to use chia seeds is to make a jam by cooking them with fresh or frozen fruits, such as berries or peaches, and a little water over low heat until soft. You can also add sweeteners, such as sugar or stevia, or lemon juice to adjust the taste and acidity. The chia seeds will act as a natural thickener and give the jam a nice texture and crunch. 3. Swap it for an egg. If you are vegan or allergic to eggs, you can use chia seeds as a substitute in baking recipes. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of ground chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit for about 15 minutes to form a gel. This will replace 1 egg in most recipes, such as muffins, cookies, pancakes, or waffles. You can also use whole chia seeds, but they will give your baked goods a speckled appearance and a crunchy texture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and support us for more videos.